How to unfriend on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide in how you can unfriend on Snapchat. Now to unfriend on Snapchat is quite simple and quite easy. All you have to do is open up the Snapchat app. You'll get an interface like this. Now what you want to do is tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen here and you'll be headed to your profile. Now you can see my profile right here on the screen. Now if you scroll down a bit below, you'll find the option My Friends. Under the option Friends, you can see two different options, Add Friends and My Friends. Simply head into My Friends option. Now here choose a friend or searching for the friend that you want to unfriend here. Now I'll just open this friend up here. Now what you want to do is tap on the profile, and then once you tap on the profile, tap on the three dots option that you can see at the top right corner of the screen and head into manage friendship option here, and you'll get the option to remove friend. Simply tap on remove friend and it'll ask you for confirmation, and once you tap on remove, they'll be removed friend. The other way around, what you can do is once you search them up here on your friend list, you can tap and hold on their profile and here you'll get the option to manage friendship and you can easily remove friend from here as well. So this way you can unfriend on Snapchat. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.